My son asked me why his skateboard was turning differently, meaning turning direction is much more difficult. I pointed out to him that he had switched the nose with the tail of his board. Often, the trucks have different tension which affect the way it turns. To easily identify the nose from the tail of your board, you can polish the bolts on the side you want. To polish the bolts, we will need a drill, metal brush, bolts, buffing wheel, polishing compound, polishing sandpaper, rough sandpaper, and microfiber cloth. Before I start, I will need to secure the bolt with a piece of wood to work on it better. Step 1 will be to brush and remove any debris. Then, use the rough sandpaper to sand it up. Next, I will use the polishing sandpaper until it becomes very smooth. Finally, you need to apply the polishing compound to the bolt and run the buffing wheel over it using the drill. You can easily see the difference. Thanks for watching.